Have you ever wondered how to access large sums of money quickly with little to no interest? Let's talk about a powerful tool that you may be underestimating, or perhaps not fully utilizing. It's called credit. Credit is not just a card that you swipe at a store, nor is it merely a number that lenders look at. It's a tool, a resource. And when wielded wisely, it can open up a world of opportunities for you. So what is credit exactly? Think of it as your financial trustworthiness. It's a measure of how likely you are to repay borrowed money based on your past behavior. The better your credit history, the more trust you earn, and the more money lenders are willing to let you borrow. In a sense, credit is your reputation in the financial world. Now, let's talk about leveraging credit. Imagine you're an entrepreneur looking to start a business, but you're short on funds. With good credit, you can borrow the money you need to kickstart your venture. And the best part? If you've managed your credit well, you can do this with little to no interest. But it's not just about starting businesses. Good credit can help you in various other ways too. Need to buy a house? Your credit score can help you secure a mortgage. Looking to buy a car? Your credit can get you a great auto loan. Even when it comes to smaller purchases like a new laptop or a vacation, credit can make it possible without draining your savings. The power of credit is vast and varied. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can help you achieve your financial goals more quickly and efficiently. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start a new venture, a homeowner planning a renovation, or someone simply looking to make life a little more comfortable, credit can be your ally. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Credit is a tool, not a crutch. It's important to use it wisely, to understand its potential, and to respect its limitations. So, let's delve deeper into this topic and explore how you can harness the power of credit to your advantage. Because credit, when leveraged correctly, can be your ticket to financial freedom. But what if your credit history is not so clean? Can you still leverage credit? Indeed you can. It's not uncommon for credit histories to have a few blemishes. Life happens. But it's important to understand that these blemishes can be cleared, and your credit score can be improved. Let's start with negative accounts. These are accounts that have been marked as delinquent due to missed payments. Contact your creditors to negotiate a payment plan, or in some cases, a pay-for-delete agreement. This is where you agree to pay the debt in exchange for the creditor removing the negative mark from your credit report. Missed payments on open accounts can also be addressed. Reach out to your creditors and ask if they'd be willing to remove the late payment record. If you've generally been a good customer, they might just agree. Inquiries or credit checks can lower your credit score, especially if there are too many in a short period. These fall off your report after 2 years, but if any are incorrect, you can dispute them with the credit bureaus. Foreclosures, repossessions, and evictions can be troublesome. However, they don't stay on your credit report forever. They typically fall off after 7 years. Meanwhile, focus on rebuilding your credit with good financial habits. Charge-offs, bankruptcy, and collections are serious blots on your credit report. It's best to seek professional help to deal with these. They can guide you through the process of negotiating with creditors, and possibly even having these marks removed. Medical bills, school loans, and child support are debts like any other. If you're struggling to pay, reach out to the relevant institutions for help. They may offer payment plans or other forms of assistance. Remember, clearing these marks takes time and patience, but it's worth it. An improved credit score can unlock lower interest rates, higher credit limits, and more financial opportunities. So don't let a less than perfect credit history deter you. There's always a way to clean it up. And once it's clean, the world of credit is your oyster. Cleaning up your credit history opens the door to new financial opportunities. Once you have cleaned up your credit, how can you use it to your advantage? Now that's a question worth pondering over. The answer, my friends, lies in the art of using credit wisely. You see, credit is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can either build or break depending on how it's wielded. Here's where attention to detail becomes critical. Let's talk about understanding interest rates first. Imagine interest rates as the rent you pay for using someone else's money. The lower the rent, the better, right? Absolutely. But remember, lower interest rates often require stellar credit scores. So keep those credit scores high and shining. Now let's move to repayment terms. It's like setting an alarm clock. You don't want it to ring too soon or too late. You want it just right. Longer repayment terms may seem appealing because of smaller monthly payments, yet they can cost you more in the long run. Shorter terms may be hefty on your monthly budget, but they save you money over time. So, choose wisely. The potential pitfalls of misusing credit? Well, consider credit as a double-edged sword. It can help you achieve your dreams, or it can become a nightmare. High credit card balances, late payments, and taking on more credit than you can handle can all lead to a debt trap. So use credit sparingly and responsibly. Remember, credit is not free money. It's borrowed money that you have to pay back, often with interest. So before you swipe that credit card or sign that loan document, think carefully. Can you afford the monthly payments? Will you be able to pay it back on time? Is it really worth it? In the end, it's all about balance. Balance between what you need and what you want. Balance between the present pleasures and future stability. Balance between leveraging credit and maintaining financial health. Using credit wisely is the key to maintaining your financial health. So wield this powerful tool with caution and prudence. Your future self will thank you for it. Ever thought about using credit to start or grow a business? Well, it's not as daunting as it may seem. In fact, credit can be an incredibly powerful tool for entrepreneurs when used correctly. Let's start by understanding what leveraging credit really means. It's about using borrowed money, in this case credit, to invest in something that has the potential to generate income. This could mean starting a new business or growing an existing one. Now, how does it work? Imagine you've got a solid business plan, you've done your market research, identified your target audience, and you're confident your idea will succeed. But there's one problem: lack of capital. This is where credit comes into play. You can use your credit to secure a business loan or line of credit, providing you with the funds needed to kickstart your venture. But remember, it's not just about getting the money, it's about making it work for you. Use it strategically. Invest in equipment, inventory, marketing, or anything else that can help your business grow and generate cash flow. The goal is to create a business that not only pays back the borrowed money but also produces a steady stream of income. However, it's important to keep in mind that leveraging credit also comes with risks. If your business doesn't perform as expected, you're still responsible for repaying the borrowed money. Therefore, it's crucial to have a well-thought-out business plan and risk management strategy in place. Moreover, leveraging credit should not be seen as a shortcut or an easy way out. It requires meticulous planning, disciplined execution, and continuous monitoring. Despite the risks, the potential returns can be significant. A successful business can provide you with a steady income, financial stability, and the freedom to do what you love. Plus, as your business grows and becomes more profitable, it can boost your credit score, opening up even more opportunities for growth and expansion. Leveraging credit into cash-flowing businesses can be a game changer for your financial future. So take the time to understand credit, use it wisely, and see how it can transform your entrepreneurial journey. So, what have we learned about leveraging credit? Our journey today took us through the vast and fascinating landscape of credit. We've seen how it can be a powerful tool, opening doors to large sums of money in an instant. It's like having a magic key that can unlock financial opportunities you never thought possible. But like all magic, it needs to be handled with care. We began by exploring the power of credit. It's more than just a card in your wallet or a number on a screen. It's a testament to your financial reliability. A high credit score speaks volumes about your ability to manage money and meet obligations. It's a beacon that attracts lenders, convincing them to trust you with their funds. Next, we delved into the process of clearing your credit. It might seem daunting, but remember, it's entirely possible. Whether it's missed payments, foreclosures, or even bankruptcy, these negative accounts can be removed. The key lies in understanding your credit report, disputing inaccuracies, and working towards a positive financial behavior. Then we discussed the importance of using credit wisely. It's not about avoiding debt entirely, but rather about managing it effectively. It's about smart spending, timely payments, and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio. Remember, credit is a resource, not a crutch. Finally, we ventured into the exciting realm of leveraging credit into cash-flowing businesses. This is where credit really shows its might. With good credit, you can secure loans to start or expand your business, transform debt into a source of income, and build a future that's financially secure and prosperous. But, let's not forget, the journey doesn't end here. Understanding credit is just the first step. The real challenge lies in putting this knowledge into practice. It's a dynamic process, one that demands patience, discipline, and a keen financial acumen. Leveraging credit is an art, master it, and the world of finance is your canvas. Thank you for watching this video. In the world of finance, clarity is key, and it doesn't get clearer than Money Operation. Follow us on Instagram at The Money Operation and join our Twitter community at Money Operation for real-time updates. But we have more in store. we're developing an exclusive platform, Operation Money, a haven for those seeking to navigate the financial waters with ease. Our project is currently in progress, with an official release date for Q2 2024, featuring fully automated credit repair, exclusive resources, and courses on everything from credit to funding and businesses. It's a lot. But with Money Operation, you're not alone on this journey. Knowledge is power. And with us, you're investing in the power to take control of your finances. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. So stay tuned, watch this space for the launch of Operation Money, and make sure to stay updated on our progress. Your financial future is in your hands. Learn with us today.